gave me a hug.
Staying for a hug. I like
going
that. I
on?
like that. Right?
From
Yeah.
Game of Thrones. I haven't seen your show, but I know people are obsessed with it and say it's absolutely amazing.
Thank you. See, I know your band and I've seen your movie.
Oh,
Yeah, look at
there
that.
you go.
You know the band too?
I do.
Are you a music girl? You like rock music?
Yeah.
Fun music?
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Emilia, sweetie.
Thank you so much.
Jared. Oh, are we? Okay.
love
She's
it.
not going anywhere.
I haven't finished here. There's work yet to be
fine.
done.
Have you had a?
Into her eyes, they're absolutely, insane. They're gold and blue and. Oh my
I was thinking the same thing. Can
We
we?
how to speak to ladies.
We should zoom into her eyes. I'm not even kidding you, right, Jared?
Here we go.
There we go. Let's zoom in.
Here we go.
This is the.
Oh my
Come on.
goodness. Which one am I looking at?
There we go. Look right in.
I'm blushing.
Wait, hello, Emilia. How can we not see his eyes and how blue and gorgeous? Can we do the eye cam with you, Jared?
This is
Do it very intense.
Definitely.